Hari Om friends, welcome back to KACC Creator. In the last tutorial, we had learned to apply ready-made gesso primer on a canvas board. This one, as gesso is somewhat costly, you may prepare and apply homemade gesso primer if you so wish. The recipe is: take a disposable container like this. Add 2 tablespoonfuls of baby talcum powder. It can be of Johnson baby powder or Pond's Dream Flower or Himalayas. Left to you. I have taken 2 tablespoonfuls of talcum powder. 2 tablespoonfuls of Fevicol. Now add a bottle full of Fevicryl Acrylic Titanium White color. This is of 15 ml. We will require this entire bottle. Pour little by little. Mix well. I have emptied this bottle. Add little water with an ink filler. Mix well. Without tiny lumps. Yes. This is the required consistency, like dosa batter, easily flowing like this. Now your homemade gesso primer is ready. Fill it up in a small glass bottle and label it. Now let's apply it. Evenly on this canvas board with a sponge. You may use a bathing sponge or the one which is meant for washing utensils. Any sponge of good quality. Spread it evenly. Now allow it to get dried up for 24 hours. Prepare a fresh batch each time. Then apply the ground, that is color wash. Please keep all these things away from the reach of infants. They look really yummy. Be sure to clean all immediately after use. They are not edible. Friends, before you depart, please watch this video till the end. Give a like below it in YouTube, touch the bell icon and subscribe to our channel KACC Creator for its different, unique and genuine. And you know that. So meet you soon. Till then, Shubhadina.